later use. Finally, it's time to fry the breaded fish. I'm going to add enough white oil in a hot pan so that I can deep fry the fish. Once the oil is hot and ready, I'm going to fry each side of the fish fillet until it's golden brown. Also, don't overcrowd the pan so that the fish can cook evenly on all the sides, and this is the best way to get a crispy fish fry. So I have fried all the breaded fish and now the crispy breaded fish fry is ready. This breaded fish fry is so amazing and tastes so delicious. This is crispy on outside and soft with full of flavors inside. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and let me know how the recipe was. And please comment below. Like, share and subscribe my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye-bye.